So the most in-demand four-wheel drives arriving daily here. Another exceptional example. Impossible to go and buy new. Wonderful, wonderful colour combination. This is the new Range Rover, 2022 22 plate, 7,000 miles. Talking about colour combinations, this is elegant, it's classy. It's Lantau Bronze with a Perlino interior. The car's covered 7,000 miles. It is brand new condition all round, as you'd expect. And lifted by the front end, this new lovely design to the grille, black badging, digital lighting system. It is a wonderful car. Now this is an SE D300, 300 brake horsepower, SE model, fully loaded really nowadays with adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, soft closed doors. This one has also got the important tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof with black styling features throughout, to the 21-inch wheels, to the bottom sections, to the mirrors. The car is a wonderful, wonderful order. You'll notice the Atlas is finished in like a slightly different colour to the Lantau, in like a bronze effect. It's just a wonderful car. Features like keyless entry, you can see the car opening and closing as I go to it, soft closing doors. It's an incredible car to drive. All-wheel drive steering in this D300 engine, 300 brake horsepower, makes it an effortless drive. It's wonderful technology inside and out. And the lighting system, hidden by this black section with the black badges, with your indicators. Look at that, it's just absolutely incredible. Black styling features continue to the bottom section of the bumper, but the design of these Range Rovers is just out of this world. If you're looking for a big four-wheel drive, of course we're coming into four-wheel drive season, this car has everything you'd require. Over and above everything, it is a wonderful price. We have priced this incredibly well in the market today, like for like, with specification, colour. It's absolutely incredible. Of course, it's a big Range Rover. It's got loads of space. It's got split folding tailgate, which is all electric, air suspension, switchable from the back here. Obviously, intelligent seat fold, which is all electric. What a wonderful looking car. And if you're looking for a Range Rover and you want a D300 SE, I think this colour combination works, and there's going to be a customer out there looking for this exact car. Onto the interior now. Of course, Range Rovers throughout the years always been notorious for being the best finishes and features inside. This one's got heated front and rear seats, configurable ambient lighting, electric rear seats, Meridian sound system, the Perlino interior, again contrasting against this Lantau Bronze. It's beautiful. Soft closing doors, as you'll see now. If I just lock that, there you go. Flush door handles, again keyless entry, usable off the key or the little button on the door handle here. And if I just, you can see the configurable ambient lighting under the centre console there. Car's in lovely condition, 7,000 miles on the clock, 13.1 inch touchscreen to the centre, giving you the most modern interface you will find in any car in the market today. So, big car of course, lots of features to go through. I'll try and cover a lot of them inside for you, but just look at the stance on this car, it's wonderful. Now, the camera system, obviously now in the new Land Rovers, across the Defenders, the new Range Rover Sports, these Range Rovers, the 360 surround view camera is out of this world. I'll show you that. Now, SE model comes with adaptive cruise control. We've got blind spot assist in the wing mirror. We've got Meridian sound system. Electric memory seats for driver and passenger, and the lovely interface that's all touch operated. All your controls for the seats are on the door, including your memory functions, now hidden into these selections wonderfully well. Like I say, there isn't a more modern or comfortable interior. Wonderful car to sit in. I mean, it's just out of this world. So keyless entry, keyless start. On the steering wheel, things that I've mentioned already. So I just turn the stereo down. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise controls. The most crisp operating system you'll see in the market. Wonderful display, all configurable behind the steering wheel here. Of course, you can have your navigation, your clocks, and all that is interchangeable as you wish. The 13.1 inch touchscreen with PV Pro gives you access to smartphone capabilities wirelessly. You've got internet, you've got navigation, Bluetooth, media interface, and then your four-wheel drive technology, compass, slope assist, wade sensing. You know, now standing in these new Land Rovers, ultimately they're a great off-roader and on-roader. Everything at touch of a fingertip. Go through the menu so easily well. But then the camera system, putting it into reverse, you see the 3D surround. Again, crisp screen, wonderful 3D operating system with the full surround view of the car, the top view camera, towing camera, off-road camera. Just a wonderful car. You've got your heated seats to the front, digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, air suspension and drive mode settings down here. All obviously again touch operated off the screen. Wonderful car. Don't forget it's a 300 brake horsepower car. Comfortable, luxury, light headlining with the Perlino interior. It's a wonderful example, really, isn't it? And the price is just exceptional as well. So going on the website now, adding to our wonderful selection of Land Rovers, have a look at our website, look at our reviews, look at how we operate as a business. Really, we are the UK's #1 used car retailer for reviews, customer service, pricing strategies, and this car is a wonderful price. On the website now, my name's Richard. Thanks for watching.